Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, classmates. So, here is my postage stamp, and today I'll be answering the same questions last activity. So, first question: how did you create your post stamp? What site software did you use? I created my postage stamp using Canva. So we all know that it is an educational app that could really help us and very user friendly. So I chose Canva because it offers ready-made templates, design elements, and editing tools that help me organize my ideas easily. So first, I started by selecting a postage stamp layout, and then I adjusted the colors, then uploaded my photo and arranged the elements until the design match my personality. So, moreover, Canva allowed me to experiment with different visuals while keeping the design clean and balanced. Second question, why did I choose this kind of design and what do elements represent? I chose this design because it reflects who I am as a person. I am positive, determined, and empathetic. Each element in the stamp has a meaning. The butterfly at the center represents growth and personal transformation, showing that I continue to learn and improve despite challenges. The light bulb symbolizes ideas, learning, and creativity. The book and laptop represent education and dedication to learning. The mountain with a flag stands for determination and perseverance, reminding me to keep going until I reach my goals. The heart and handshake symbolize empathy, kindness, and my willingness to connect and help others. The message, you got this, and the warm colors emphasize positivity, motivation, and encouragement. Lastly, how would I rate my output? I would rate my output 8 out of 10. I believe the design clearly communicates my values and personality, and the elements are well connected and meaningful. The overall appearance is visually appealing and inspiring. However, I also recognize that there is still room for improvement, especially in refining details and layout balance. To conclude, this postage stamp represents not only a creative output but also a reflection of who I am, someone who stays positive, keeps going, and inspires others. Thank you.